Okay, today it's raining and that means that we're gonna do some drifting. Hello guys, and in this video we are going to be testing out my 320 diesel. It's raining right now, so we will be trying to do some drifting in a few parking lots and stuff like that. So this will be fun. Okay. Here we have a good parking lot. I think there's a little bit more grip here, but let's try. Whoa, okay. Oi. Ah, so good, the transitioning. Oh, okay. He went a little bit too fast there. I do not want to crash into one of those poles. This is not going to be like one of those fail videos. It's gonna be some drifting, not crashing. Ah, the torque just pulls me right back into the drift. And transition. Oh! Ah, too wide. It's squeaking a lot from the tires. That was full luck. Yeah, I think we're gonna go now. Don't want to make too much noise for the houses nearby here. I do really like my 320 diesel. It's an M47 engine with 150 horsepower and 330 Newton meters, and that may not sound a lot because it's not, but my 325 has only 245 Newton meters, so this actually is a lot torquier than my 325. So this can actually handle drifting very good in low RPM. So often when I'm drifting like in circles or stuff like that, I can just stay between like 2 and 3 RPMs, 3000 RPMs. So that's pretty convenient actually. I think I will just begin with just turning over and then throttle to the floor, and then I will lose grip in the rear. Let's see. Throttle to the floor. Oh. Let's take a transition. Oh, yeah. Huh. Wow. That's so much fun. And like I said, this has no problem with power because it has a lot of torque, so it just keeps on that power. Let's try third gear this time. I think it will pull it off. And third. Yeah. No problem. That was wheel spinning like 140 kilometers an hour. I will now try a transition from the one parking lot to another. Okay. Okay, that did not end well. My phone, that disappeared. I don't know where that went. Yeah, whatever. I'll find it later. Third gear. Back to second. Oh, that was a BMW M2. Cool. Let's try that transition one more time. Yeah. Oh, whoops. That was a little bit of a hump there or something. Not good. The reason you have not been seeing so many videos lately, and this car in general, is because I am getting it fixed, as I've been telling you before, but recently I stumbled upon a problem with this car, and that was the brakes. I all of a sudden didn't have any brakes at all in this car. I totally lost brake pressure, and that was because, mainly it was because of a like a brake hose or a brake line in the back, which was broken, or it was a hole in it, so it was leaking. And I also found out that both of my front brake calipers did not have like a bleeding valve. They were broken right off. So now I have replaced it with a new brake caliper, and the ones I bought did not fit. I do not know why. I took those of a 2001 320 diesel. This is a 2002. So I have no clue why those calipers did not fit. That was very frustrating. So I have now also bought the brake discs from that same 2001 320 diesel, and now my brake calipers fit. I did not know anything about those being different. I don't understand it, but they are, so whatever. But now it's fixed. I have brakes again, and I can yeah, the car works. So now it's just a few more faults to fix this car, so I can use it as like every day, and I use it as a daily. I have still not put my 325 Cabriolet away yet. I'm still using it, but yeah, I want to put it away soon for winter, because I have winter tires on this already, and yeah, soon it's about to snow. I guess it's about to snow pretty soon. And for those of you wondering, I am going to get this car chipped pretty soon. There was a guy offering me some free software updates. Whoa! Some free software updates for the car, so it will be faster. So I think I'm gonna chip this to stage 2, which is 200 horsepower or 195 around that, and 400 Newton. So that sounds pretty good actually. So I think I will do that one day. Also, I have a question for you guys. What would you like to see more on this channel? Would you like to see more of the Cabriolet? I'm putting that away, so I'm probably not gonna make so much content with that in the future. More about this. Do you want me to buy a new car? I am considering buying a new car. I do not know what yet, but I'm considering to buy a new one. I don't know. I'm not sure. But would you like me to see some particular mods on this car, or yeah, in general, what do you think? I want to hear your comments about it. So yeah, please leave a comment and tell me what you would like to see on this channel. That was very strange. You didn't have any brake lights. Okay. Yeah. So anyways, I hope you like this short, or maybe it's not that short, but I hope you like this POV video. And I do really like making these because I feel very relaxed and I can just go around and drive and talk to you guys, and that really, yeah, makes me feel good. I like it. And I hope you like it as well. So yeah, have a nice day, and I hope that I see you in the next video. Goodbye, everybody.